Good morning. It is day 2 here at S.M.O.R.R. Roman rolled in later last night. We just hung out around the bonfire and caught back up. We haven't seen each other in a little while. We have everything swapped out in the back. We have the bedding swapped out for all of our tools and parts. We are going to hit Cougar crossing and guardrail this morning and then head back to camp so that we can grab some lunch. The trail shouldn't be too difficult. I know Cougar crossing is going to be a lot easier than guardrail. Guardrail has just a couple obstacles on it, I think. All right, so let's go hit those 2 trails. So one thing that has been fantastic about this park is just how well everything is laid out. From the maps, signs on the roads. It's so easy to find your way around here and get to the right trail, where some parks you have no idea where you're at. You get turned around, trails aren't marked. So nice job, S.M.O.R.R. You're killing it with the mapping and the signs. I made a wrong turn to get to Cougar crossing, but we figured out a way to get there. We just got to go up this trail called Get Ya Some. It is a very, very steep hill climb, but no real ledges or obstacles the route that we're going to take, so let's go hit it. That was a great little climb. I say little, but look at this. Let me go help Roman out here. There you go. Yup, perfect. All right, hold on. Back it up just a touch. Just a little bit. Don't cut your wheel. Keep it straight. Once you start coming across, get ready to cut your wheel and keep your speed up, right? And you're gonna come up this way and then go to the right once you get past this little group of trees. Let me get out of your way. All right, foot on the gas, rev it up a little bit. Oh! You were in reverse? All right, try and get back to that same spot and do the same thing. Okay. Yup, keep in it. Yes. Oh, yeah, Roman. Nice job, dude. That was awesome. Dude, you killed it. That was awesome. We're heading the right way now. We're on a trail called Lone Wolf. That's going to take us over to Cougar Crossing. And man, Roman killed that going up that hill. He's on like 33s. No lockers. But these Toyotas have that 8-track. The thing he does have going for him is that V8 in those 4th gens. And sometimes that helps a lot when you need skinny pedal, like going up a hill. So that was a good little warm-up and a huge confidence boost, I think, for both of us. I was able to just kind of crawl up that. Roman did such a good job driving that. I came up with a plan and he executed. All right, so we just got onto Cougar Crossing. I don't think it's going to be as adventurous as the Get You Some trail, but we're still going to have a good time. All right, we just hit what probably makes this whole trail a 3. This turn is pretty wicked. Downward angle, and it feels real sketch. It's probably not as bad as it feels, but Roman's coming through it now, and he'll see. Stay high. Stay high. Nice and easy. Just creep it. Turn into it a little now. Turn into it good. You got space. Yep, you're good. You got a ton of space on this side, yep. There you go, perfect. Nice job. That definitely felt a lot sketchier than it actually was. So we just finished up Cougar crossing. A lot of fun. There's a trail off Cougar crossing that's rated a 4 that looked like a really good uphill climb with some ledges and stuff on it. We didn't do that one, but Cougar crossing was a fun trail nonetheless. Nothing too serious on it. We are heading over to Guardrail right now. So we have made our way over to Guardrail and we're gonna drop into that. I think most people run it where they are coming in from this side, but that's like the fun hill climb obstacle out. So we're gonna start it over here and run it so that we can go up instead of down. You good? Almost there. So we're all done with Guardrail. Fun little trail. Not really many obstacles on it, I would say. The one little drop in the beginning, there's a bypass for that, and then at the end there's a hill climb out. There's 2 paths. The one on the left looked pretty serious, and it looked like there was a tree down over it, so I don't know if people take that one much anymore. So we skipped that and just did the easier hill climb on the right to come out of Guardrail. We're heading back to camp now. We're gonna get some lunch and then head back out. We're gonna gather up some firewood. The rules here say anything that's dead on the ground you can take for firewood, so you don't have to necessarily buy it. You can just bring a chainsaw with you and go get your own firewood. We are all done with lunch. We stopped at the store. We got sweatshirts, hats, that kind of stuff. Next up, looking at the map. So campsite's here. I've checked this area out a little bit. Down into here we did Pee Wee's Crossing. We're gonna cut all the way across the park and come over into this corner, Brixie Hill, and some of these other trails up this side, and see how that goes. This trail is called Log Jam, and after walking up a decent section of it to see if Roman's 4Runner would be able to make it, we decided to change our original plan and run this to work our way over to Brixie Hill. This ended up being my favorite trail of the trip, and the 4 difficulty rating was spot on.
Back it up a bit. Remember Badlands?
Yeah.
Something like that. Stop. Yeah. Just. Alright. Again, back it up. Stop. Now do it. Hold on. So you see, you have a step on your rear one, and you have a step on your front, and they are at the same time. If you want to get out and look at it.
I gotcha.
Stop. Go now. Go passenger. Passenger? Yeah. And hit it. There you go. You got a Jeep coming. Oh. That's not good.
What? On the Jeep?
Yeah. Hold on. Do we have a... So the only way...
I'm going to try and go over here.
Do you think it'd be... Hey Jim?
Yeah.
Do you think it'd be better off if you back it up?
Back it up into the thing there?
Yeah.
I can drive.
Because it looks like you're gonna hit each other.
Yeah, I thought
All right. I think you're good there, but I don't think it's gonna be enough.
I keep going backwards or no? I feel like I can back up to here, I guess, and I can
go this way?
drive it up this. That's probably the best bet because I got it stuffed as far as I can over here, and there's no way they're getting past there. So
Yeah.
all right. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do what the side-by-sides are doing and just try and drive it off.
Would that be easier if you guys climb that wall? Maybe.
If I can get up that,
Then we can get around.
yeah. If you can back up far enough, I'll come up here and I'll go up this.
Yeah. Just sit there until we get through, and then yeah. That should be better. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll park it up there. All right.
Some traffic. That one's probably easier. You can back it up more. All right, stay there.
Yep, I got it.
Yeah. I go around down really quick. I just wanna lock my car.
I didn't end up recording the end of Logjam. The trail was super busy and I was rushing to get up because I didn't want to hold up the side-by-side group that was behind me. I reached an obstacle I knew Roman's 4Runner wouldn't make it up, and thankfully I was able to get him on the radio before he started heading up. Just after telling him to walk back up to hop into my rig, I noticed the side-by-side that was behind me had rolled onto its side going up the V-notch that I had just driven through. Thankfully, no one was hurt, and myself and the other people in their group were able to get it flipped back onto its wheels.
It's not that bad, it just goes slow, yeah. Keep going. Say hi.
You want to jump in? This is a pretty good hill climb.
All right.
That way you don't gotta walk it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we have covered a lot of ground. We started going up a trail called Log Jam, and we left Roman's truck at the base of that and took mine up. So we went from that to a trail called Back Rub, and then Holy Cow, High Mountain Road, and Brixie Hill. Those are all rated 4s, or not all, but most of those were rated 4s out of 6s, and they definitely work. We're on our way now to run a bunch of trails that are rated a 3. If there's anything interesting on them, obstacles, we'll show you.
Need some speed. Second thought, bypass.
I'll give it a couple tries. It's very slick.
Yeah.
And my tires are all wet from going through that mud hole, so...
Yeah, take your time. Try now. You warmed it up.
It just cut out on me for some reason. I had it too.
Once you get the momentum, you hit gas and hope nothing breaks.
Yeah.
Or if you keep doing this, you'll break something.
You think so? All right. All right, hold on. Let me give
All right.
and then I'll back down.
Because it just, whenever it starts jumping,
Yep,
there's a good possibility.
Yeah, if it starts bouncing, I'll get out of it. All right, ready?
Yeah. Go, 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 go!
Oh, I thought you were saying no.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I was like, oh, what am I?
You know what? You're good. Just back it up like a few inches, and now you can pick it up.
A little more?
A little bit more, yeah. More. Good. Now do it. Go, 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 go. More. Second thought, I'm not gonna do it.
Bypass?
Yeah, you did good, man.
Oh, man. Hey, thanks. That was good instruction. All right, here comes Roman down the hill. I think this is called buckwashed, something like that. Roman's gonna take the bypass here. Again, just the open diffs. A-track isn't gonna cut it. And at the expense of just standing on the gas pedal and potentially breaking something, it's not worth it. So just gonna come on down and then hook to the right. Oh, man, gotta love that V8. All right, we have covered a lot of ground. We went over to an end of the park where there's just a bunch of trails that are rated a 3, and it's been fantastic. So we hit Desperado, Buckwhacked, Armadillo Pass, and now we're coming back out to Desperado. And
so we have two choices: either leave it here or you come help.
I'm gonna go help Roman grab a big log. I'll be right there. All right, we are all done with that little section. Fantastic trail system. We have a bunch of firewood loaded up in the back of Roman's 4Runner, so we are heading back to camp now to unload that. Haven't decided whether or not we're gonna go back out again after that. We'll see. We might take a peek. There's trails right by the campground that are rated 3s, so maybe we'll head back out and we'll hit those. Good morning. It is day 3 at S.M.O.R.R, and it's going to be a short one. We are heading to Moab Hill so that Roman can try getting up that, and then we're going to call it. I was originally going to spend the night tonight. I decided to head home today instead. We have done a ton of off-roading here. We've hit a ton of trails. Decided to just do this one last hill climb. We're gonna air up, pack up all of our stuff, and then hit the road to head home. So we're back here at Moab Hill. Roman's gonna give this a try. I'm gonna head up first just to kind of show him the line that I took. We'll see. I think he can do it. This is going to be the challenging part right here. These are big steps, but I think if he comes over here, he'll be able to make it up driver's side up this line.
What is this?
All right, here comes Roman. Keep driver. Yep, you're right where you need to be. That's the line. Nice and steady. Perfect, dude. Cut it, driver. Nice. Walked right up it.
Fuck, that was easier than I thought.
Yeah. All right, we just finished up at Moab Hill. We're heading back to camp now to pack up and hit the road to head home. We had a great time down here at S.M.O.R.R. I will definitely be back. This park is incredible. And we hit a ton of trails, but there's still so much left to explore. We're gonna end the video right there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.